Good morning, grade ones. Today we are going to do some story sums. So let me get to our story sums. I'm going to read to you what this says. This story is about two little children. They are twins, a boy and a girl. One is called Mary and her brother's called Mark. Okay, so listen to the first one. The twins, Mary and Mark, are visiting Granny for a sleepover. Granny has 12 sweeties and must give each of the children exactly the same. How many sweeties will Mary get? So now we've got to find out how many will Mary get and how many will Mark get. So we're going to have to make sure that they each get exactly the same. So we are going to halve them. Now remember, with halving, you have to count until you get to the number that they ask. Now first let's see, what do they ask? There are 12 sweeties. So we are going to count until we get to 12. Okay, get ready. We are counting in twos because there are two children. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I've used 6 fingers. So each of them will get 6 sweeties. So the answer is, how many will Mary get? Mary will get 6 as well. She will get 6 and Mark will get 6. The next one says, Granny baked cookies for the twins. She made 10, but 2 broke. How many is left? Okay, let's do that first. If you have 10 cookies, 2 breaks, is that going to be a plus or a takeaway sum? A takeaway, because we broke 2 of them. So what is 10 take away 2? That is 8. 10 take away 2 is out. 8. So now we've got 8 cookies. How many will Mark get if Granny shares it between the 2? So again, we've got to count in twos, but we've got to stop when we get to 8 because that's how many cookies we have. Okay, let's get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8. The answer is 4. Each child will get 4 cookies. Half of 8 is 4. So Mark will get 4 cookies. Number 3 says, the twins help Granny to make pizza. There are 14 pieces of pineapple. How many pieces will Mary put on her pizza? Okay, remember the rule. We're going to count in twos. We stop when we get to 14 because that's how many pieces of pizza we have. Okay, let's get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 pieces of pizza for each of them. Mary will put 7 pieces of pineapple on her pizza. Number 4 says there are 20 slices of ham. How many slices will Mark put on his pizza? Okay, where do we stop? We stop counting when we get to 20. And we're going to count in twos because we've got 2 children. And we are halving into twos. Okay, I'm not going to count. You count, but I'll use my fingers. We're going to start with, where do we stop? 20. 2. Have you got the answer? Write the answer down. Now number 6 says, after supper the twins take a bath. Granny gives each 2 towels. How many towels did she take out of the cupboard? Is this doubling or halving? Let's see. After supper, the twins take a bath. Granny gives each 2 towels. So Mark will get 2 and Mary will get 2. So this is a double sum. So we want to find out how many towels did the granny take out. So she took 2 out for Mary. She took 2 out for Mark. So now we're going to count in twos. But we've got 2 children and they each got 2 towels. So we're going to say 2, 4. Mary got 2. Mark got 2. So she took out 2, 4. She took out 4 towels. That's the right answer. 4 towels for number 6. Number 7 says, it is a cold and windy night. Granny gives each child 3 blankets. How many blankets did Granny unfold? This is a doubling again. So each child got 3 blankets. So we're going to have the 3 blankets. We're going to count in 2 because each child there are 2 children. So we're going to go 2, 4, 6. So Granny had to take 6 blankies out, 3 for Mary and 3 for Mark. So the answer is, how many blankets did Granny unfold? 2, 4, 6. There's the answer. Number 8 says, for breakfast the next morning, Granny prepared bacon and eggs. Mary and Mark each had 1 egg. How many eggs did Granny boil? 1 for Mark, 1 for Mary. How many eggs did Granny boil? 1, 2. There's the answer. Number 9 says, each of the twins had 4 pieces of bacon. How many pieces did Granny fry? So now let's find out how many pieces of bacon. There were 4 pieces of bacon for each child. So we're going to count in 2s 4 times. 2. There's the answer. How many pieces of bacon Granny made? Very good. Or we can go 4 and 4. 4 for Mark, 4 for Mary. So then you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the same. Instead of counting in 2s, you can do double the same amount. So double means 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's Mary and Mark's bacon. Next question says, Mommy and Daddy came to fetch the twins. They were very happy to see them. The children quickly tied it up and packed away all the toys they played with. Mary put 5 toys away and Mark put 5 toys away. How many toys did they have? So we know Mary had 5, we know Mark had 5. So we can go 5 and 5, or we can go counting in 2s with 5 fingers. Let's see. 2. That's the answer. And it's exactly the same as doing it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's Mary's toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's Mark's toys. What is 5 and 5? 10. Double 5 is 10. That's the answer. And now you can write down the answers in your yellow book. You can write down number 1, put the answer next to it. Number 2, put the answer next to it. Or in your book, you can write it there as well. Okay, my darlings, I hope you understand and I hope you have fun. Goodbye.